Nasdaq production.
My guys and girls, what's going on? I haven't done these three oil stocks in a while. I believe it's SGY, CPG, and ARX. I believe those are the ones, right? These three, haven't done them in a while, but boy, this is the market that's been popping, clearly, right? Like, whew, this stock, like SGY, has been so easy to read. I'm kind of cheesed that I didn't play these, man. Right? But hey, this is a great learning lesson. I'm gonna use this, right? Make the notes on it in my trading journal. And we could use this, right? Like we had a huge bull market from 2020 to like pretty much the beginning of or November 2021, right? Almost like beginning of 2022, right? Pretty much a straight bull market. And then we've been having this dip, right? It's been a bear market. It's been pretty much 6 months of a downtrend, right? But there's some stocks, some sectors that decided to keep going, right? So it's cool to see the cycle of money and how it happens, right? Like it's definitely something I'm going to be aware of, like as the years go on, as I trade, as I invest, right? To just try to be aware of multiple different sectors and get a better grip of what's going on from a macroeconomic level, right? It's kind of funny because like back when I was charting this in, I think we started right over here, so this was probably like mid-February. From mid-February till now, this stock has gone up pretty much 100%. Like, come on, man. Whew. And the price action is beautiful, right? Like, we could just simply pull up, I think it's like the 20 EMA. Yeah, look at that 20 EMA. Easy peasy, right? Buy off the support and then just let it ride. And it's playing very well around the support and resistance levels that we marked out way back in February, right? So we marked this 956 level, the 1095 level, and the 13 level, and look, we've hit all our targets. Like this is the perfect example of what to look for in an uptrending stock. And this is going to cycle back into growth names once all the drama's over in the world and all the recession news dies down. And it might take a little while, right? It might be mid 2023 before it happens, but who knows, right? Like, this is the characteristics of a stock that we want to be participating in. So I thought I'd go over this just as a little catch-up update. But again, right, CPG, we'll go to the weekly time frame, and I was mentioning this cup and handle pattern, and look at this beautiful cup, handle, huge move right out of the handle. It's meant like this name, these names, right? These oil names are very intriguing. So what we're going to look for now on CPG is like if we keep going, we keep going, but eventually we want to back test this level, right? Look at this level. This goes back to 2018, boy. So eventually we're going to back test that level, make sure that it's support before we continue that uptrend. But overall, the CPG, the SGY, and now ARX, right? Very similar here with ARX with the almost like a cup and handle, more of just a cup. But you could have marked this out as a cup and handle at some point, right? We've had this period of consolidation, right? March, where we go sideways in this zone. But now we're getting that breakout, right? So these three names are very interesting names. And they're all Canadian stocks, too, on the TSX. But yeah, I thought I'd go over those because, like, it's been a while since we've seen. Of course, it sucks, right? Like, I wish I should have been participating in these, but you get busy with work and other things and focusing on the stocks you want to dollar cost average into. But something that I'm gonna have to get better at as my trading years go on and time flies by and markets progress is watching the cycle of money, right? This would have been great to participate in and make money during a bear market overall, right? A bear market as in terms of the Nasdaq, the S&P, but these oil stocks, man, they've been ripping, right? So yeah, great examples here. So we're gonna keep an eye on these in the next few weeks just to see what's going on here. Now you might be thinking, why don't you just buy now? Well, the reason I personally won't buy now is because right now it's like we're in a massive uptrend. We're getting too far extended from the EMA. It might be worth buying on a dip. So either way, these are stocks I want to watch. I want to see the characteristics of what's happening during this uptrend. And yeah, that's a little breakdown for these oil stocks. Peace.